Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So this look has received universal praise and everyone liking it on my Instagram page and expressing interest in a tutorial, especially for the eyeshadow. So I want to walk you through on how I achieved this eyeshadow look. But before then, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and share to your makeup besties. So I started by applying eyeshadow primer, and the eyeshadow primer I'm using is from NYX. You guys know I love this eyeshadow primer. I love the fact that it's easy to blend and it doesn't really give any tacky lines. Once I'm done applying it, I'm going to blend out the edges with a fluffy brush. Make sure you blend very well. You don't want to see any ash line showing, so take your time to blend that really well. After that, I applied a transition shade to the crease, and I'm using Adventure 9-in-1 powder palette, my absolute favorite. If you've watched most of my videos, I always use the powder. It has a good coverage. It is suitable for setting highlighter, contour, full face powder. For eyeshadow, I used the Revolution Blush Palette Golden Sugar 2, this particular shade right here. I'm going to apply that right on the lid. This is one of the most amazing collection of highly pigmented blushes and highlighter. I love it, and I always go back to it despite trying others. This palette here is like one of my favorite, and I use it for almost everything. Can you see how pigmented the color is? It's beautiful. I love it. After that, I'm going in with a deeper shade to add dimension. You can basically do this after your transition shade. Just follow it up by applying a deeper shade to add dimension before applying the lead color. Next is eyeliner, and I'm going to be using Mirac eyeliner pencil. I begin at the outer corner of the upper lash line, as close to the root of the lashes as possible. This will create the illusion of a fuller lashes and add dimension to the eyes. I'm going to do the same on our waterline. For that soft smoky look, I went over with the same deeper shade I used earlier on to add dimension, using a small smudging brush to blend the eyeliner for a more diffused effect. To complete the eye look, I'm going to apply eyelashes. Personally, I find it much easier to just apply small amount of glue to the eyelid. Apply the glue where you want the lashes to lay. Allow the lash glue to get tacky for about 30 seconds before applying the lashes. Now go ahead and place the lashes. Carefully place the lashes as close to the natural lash as possible, starting from the center of the eyes. I do this using my fingers. You can use a tweezer if you want, it's all preference. Once the center is in place, I use a tweezer to press it down on the inner and outer corner to ensure it's secured. To brighten and open up the eyes, making them appear more awake and youthful, I usually use a shimmery or light colored eyeshadow and apply it in the inner corner using a small brush or my finger. And there you have it. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more beauty content like this, and don't forget to share with your makeup besties. Until next time, stay fabulous. Love you. Bye. Dun, 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 dun.